Complete guide how to make organic poultry and livestock feed step by step. Are you tired of expensive commercial feed eating into your farm profit? Learn the exact step-by-step process of making organic poultry and livestock feed using natural, low-cost ingredients that will keep your animals healthy and your profits high. In this particular video, what you learn are as follows: how to source affordable organic ingredients, the best organic feed formula for poultry and livestock, how to balance nutrients for maximum growth and health, the secret to faster weight gain and higher egg production, common mistakes to avoid when making organic feed. Stop wasting money on commercial feed. Switch to 100% organic, high nutrient feed today and watch your farm thrive well. Organic poultry and livestock feed is a natural and cost-effective alternative to commercial feeds, helping farmers reduce production costs while improving the health and growth of their animals. By using locally available ingredients, you can create a high-quality feed that enhances weight gain, egg production, disease resistance, and overall productivity. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process of making organic poultry and livestock feed in the farm, ensuring balanced nutrition for your birds and animals while maximizing farm profitability. This is how we do it. This is how we process the feed in our own mill here. And you watch from beginning to end so that you get the right knowledge of how to go about making organic poultry feed. Here we are using all natural and homemade products for making livestock feed. First, you need to identify nutritional requirements. Understand the nutritional need for your poultry and livestock. That is the protein, energy, vitamin, and minerals needed for the optimal growth. You consider the age and purpose of the animal, either broilers, layers, goats, rabbit, or others. Second one is you source organic ingredients. Energy source ingredients like maize, sown, millet, cassava, sweet potatoes, and rest of them. Protein sources: soya bean, groundnut cake, fish meal, moringa leaves, black soldier fly, any of these. Fiber sources: wheat bran, rice bran, palm kernel cake, and others. Mineral and vitamins: egg shells, oyster shells, bone meal, salt, banana leaves, avocado leaves, and others. Natural growth boosters: garlic, ginger, neem leaves, soursop leaf, and others. This is how we are processing the feed. I will still explain all these processes for you step by step. Just continue watching. Third step is clean and dry the ingredients. Remove dirt, stones, and unwanted materials. Sun dry ingredients like grains, legumes, and leaves to reduce moisture and prevent mold growth. 4 is grind and mix ingredients. This is exactly what we are doing here. This is the next step here now. Right away, we are grinding the ingredients. You can see in the farm here, all are working together. Everybody is working together. Since I developed the formula, I make sure I supervise all the processes so that there will be no mistake. If there is any mistake, the workers do not care. They don't bother. It doesn't bother them. It is my name and the name of my farm that is at stake. That's why I supervise and I join all the activities to make sure that you get what you paid for, and what I design in the formula is what is produced. So you can see that all of us are working together. All these raw materials you are seeing here are for broiler starter, broiler super starter, grower, and finisher. You can see that I am joining the workers to make sure there is no mistake, because this particular feed you are seeing here is going all the way to Asaba, Delta State. And I want to make sure that we don't mix up either the starter and the grower together, so that each bag will have its own tag. That is exactly what I'm doing here, to make sure that there is no mix-up. If there is any mix-up, the owner of this feed will not know. He or she will only use the name on the bag and continue feeding the chicken, and you will get the wrong result. 5. Formulate the feed for specific animals. Adjust the formula for broilers, layers, goat, rabbit, or cattle based on their dietary needs. Add probiotics like molasses, herbs, and immune boosters to enhance digestion and disease resistance. Step 6. Store the feed properly. Keep the feed in an airtight container or sack to prevent moisture and contamination. Store in a cool, dry place to maintain freshness. Step 7. Feed your poultry and livestock. Provide fresh, clean water alongside the feed. Monitor growth, performance, and adjust the formula as needed. By following all these steps, you can save money, boost animal health, and improve farm profitability with 100% organic, chemical-free feed. Would you like a detailed feed formula? Let me know on the comment section for different poultry and livestock animals. Here, what I'm indicating is the different breeds, because we are making different chicken feed here. Super starter, starter, grower, and finisher. So right away, this is starter. It's already indicated, and the number of bags, each of them, so that there will be no mistake. This is the process. You can see I'm carrying the thing by myself, so that I carry the load by myself. See it here, I'm indicating each of the bags so that there will be no mistake. I don't like somebody doing all these things for me, because it will, when it happens, everything will be on my neck. The phone calls, I will be the one that will receive thousands of calls. That's why I take care of all this. I make sure that everything is done properly. So if you make your order, we arrange it for you, and I don't give it out to someone to do it for me. I monitor all the steps by myself, all the processes. I formulate the feed. I follow all the processes to make sure that ingredients I provided is also used, and also indicate the feed so that you will not use grower to go and feed your starter, to go and feed your young chicks, or use finisher to feed young chicks in place of starter. So make sure that all the measurements are accurate. You can see the scaling process here. I monitor the scaling so that the feed will be complete. What you paid for, you get exactly the quantity of feed you paid for. This is exactly what we are doing here. We are scaling each of the bags. Each of these bags you are seeing here is 50 kg each. 50 kg each. So we'll make sure that none of the bag is below 50 kg, and the number of quantity and number of bags you paid for is also given to you. All these ones are raw materials, unprocessed raw materials. They are all organic. They are natural raw materials we use for production. Anyone we bring out, we go and weigh it. We weigh it. After weighing, we now use it to process according to the feed formula I designed. Please, if you have anything that is confusing to you, please ask it on the comment section. I will explain what happened, what's going on, so that you understand more. That's why I made this video, so that you get all the processes in making poultry and livestock organic feed. You can see how the raw materials are arranged. This is how you should also arrange your feed after production, so that there will be no contamination at all. It should be in a free space so that the feed will not change the aroma. The aroma of the feed is the main attractant that make chicken to rush the feed and eat. If the attractant is faded off, maybe because of wrong packaging or keeping the feed in the wrong place, it will affect it. You can see this is additives. This is an organic additives right now that will be used for the next production. That is the grower, because what we are doing now is the super starter and the starter. You can see this is the feed formula. I also monitor the feed formula to make sure that I'm in the right direction. There will be no mistake. I hold the feed formula. The feed formula is just the master planner. Is the plan of the feed itself. I also make sure I check the feed formula to make sure that all the ingredients in the formula are all in the feed, so that there will be no mistake at all. If you have anything confusing to you, please drop it on the comment section. And if you want to make your own poultry feed, let me know on the comment section. This bag behind me here is Clupid bag. It's full Clupid. We are using Clupid here instead of the imported fish meal. The imported fish meal is not guaranteed here because we produce the feed meal by ourselves. So we make sure that we are sure we use raw fish, complete fish, and grind it. After grinding, we'll now use it to make our feed here. So all the ingredients are intact. You can see we are indicating each of the bags the particular feed that is inside because they may look alike. This is 50 kg bag. You can see that I'm arranging it by myself so that there will be no error, there will be no mistake. I do it by myself. I don't want anybody to do it for me. If you have any question regarding this particular content, drop it on the comment section. I will reply you and answer you also. Do you want to make your own poultry feed? Do you like making organic poultry feed? Let's talk on the comment section. For now, till the end of this and next one, bye.